So I've had these crochets in for about a month now, actually a little over a month. And you can see the new growth is really real. I enjoyed this particular style and color a lot, like a lot. But Valentine's Day is coming up, so I'm gonna, switch it up a little bit. Come with me. So I just thought about it. I want to show you how easy they are to remove. So all I do is just cut it like close to the root, just like that, and then find the little loop here. Of course, this one might be stubborn. Okay, gotta use 2 hands. Okay, so just pull it right through the loop like that, and it's out. So I'll do one more for good measure. See if it's gonna do the WB frog on me again. Okay, so just cut it like that. Find the loop and pull. That's what I meant to do the first time. Hair washed and moisturized, about to blow dry it, but I look like some basketball or football player. I don't know who it is. Next step. You know who it is now. Okay, so I got 2 out of the 5 braids done. I'm using this Apple and Aloe Nutrition Miracle Hold Gel by Talia Wajid, I believe. My friend from Chicago put me onto this, and this is the only edge control that I will use. Like, it's amazing. So I just start off with a little piece up here. I'll separate it. I'm not gonna show like the whole braiding process. It's weird doing it in this camera. Alright, excuse me, I gotta go to my actual mirror. There we go. Okay. So I'm trying not to do it too tight because 1, I'm tender-headed, and 2, I don't want the crochets to meet much resistance going under the braid. And I don't want to pull my hair out. So there we go. Just gliding right along there. So yeah, I will get with you in the next step. Okay, yes, I'm Cleo from Set It Off, of course. So the braids are done. Now I'm going to oil my parts with this Island Oil by Jamaican Mango and Lime. I got this from DoorDash. It has morning sea oil and Manuka honey. Manuka? Whatever it is, it's good. I love it. Scalp oiled, shining like new money. Now it's time to crochet. So I just want to know, have you ever seen one of these hooks that were a different color? I mean, there's variations, but I mean, do the AKAs own this patent? Like, they cornered the market, like monopolizing. But either way, we call it crochet. This hairstyle, even though it's latch hook. But here are the crochets here. A little pink for Valentine's Day. Now I don't know. Oh. Let me see. New Goddess Locks. I don't see a name on there, but these are from Amazon. But they came in this box. It's so beautiful. The packaging is just superb. So I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna actually do this with you, show you how I do what I do, how I do what I do. So it comes like this. I want to say this is 8 packs or like, I don't know, 20 something. So all I do is just slide one, of course, slide one off a crochet. And these are the kind with the little extra curls. Now I usually don't like the extra curls because they get tangled, but with the shorter ones I don't really have the issue. So I just go underneath the braid like so. Okay, and then I take the hoop right here and I just put it onto the hook close the latch, pull it through. Now the latch is back open. I put the other end of the crochet hair into that loop and pull, and there's the first one. Ain't that pretty? So I'll keep going and I'll update you in a sec. Just about halfway done. I thought I would show one more time the actual crochet technique, so, or latch hook. So I put my hook under the braid. The little loops, these are nice and firm. Like, these loops slide on so easily. Some crochet hair is a pain, but you put the loop on, close the latch, pull it through, and lift up. The latch opens. I put the hair around the loop, close it back, pull it through the loop, and then pull it down. All right. I'm almost done. Well, I'm just telling myself that. But when I am done, I'll be back. Okay, crochet's done. I always need a little time when I first get done with a style. It's very rare that I get finished and be like, who's that girl? No, I usually need a day or well, you know what, once I beat my face non-violently, I'll be back. I'm not gonna do a tutorial on that part, not this time at least. But yeah, let me do that and probably snip this. I'll be back again. So here is the finished look. It took me forever. I don't even know what time it is. I'm starving, so I'll probably go get me something to eat and then crochet. But I like how it came out. It's not exactly what I was going for, but you know, those happy accidents. And this is already starting to grow on me. I've had my natural hair pink before, but I think this is my first time getting pink crochets, and it's supposed to be Valentine's Day. Why not? But yeah, I had fun doing this. I hope you enjoyed it, and till next time.